Hello, people. Alright, now let me catch up again. I forgot where we left off. I guess we were here. Ah, yes, I wanted to do this thing. Ooh, okay. Doable, but complicated. Hmm. Okay, so I need to know if a orbling swarm is landed or not. And I cannot just find this out by... Or maybe I can. I still need a face. I still need an avatar or a dynamic avatar, that is. And what I mean by that is, when we have a swarm of orblings, and we choose that one of them has to land, we have to tell one of them that he has to land. Meaning we will have a variable of a representing orbling that is on the ground materialized, and if that representing is touching us... Holy shit, I'm opening another can of worms. Okay, we chose that when we fight an orbling swarm, like this, there are the 3 slots in front of us. And then there is monster A, monster B, monster C materialized. And there are orblings behind them in rows or waves. So I cannot just randomly choose one to land, because we have this overworld. When now one of the orblings, this is the player, and let's say this is like an orbling beast that just landed, and it has like the orblings behind him as a swarm following him. What if this randomly chosen orbling is one of these behind? If we are fighting, I don't want this to dematerialize and then one of those going in again, right? Hey Robin! Hello, hello, welcome. Should I always choose one of the front orblings? I mean, I have a list of orblings in an ordered manner, and I can just choose randomly one of those 3 to land, I guess. I mean, I could still choose these also to materialize, but then I have to implement something that says when we are in a fight, dematerialize yourself and fly away while the other one are landing. And we still have that issue when they touch each other. We will fight and we will be in an arena, so I will have a transition. Is this even a problem then? Because then I will have like my place. And then the enemy orblings. We will transition from that to this. I mean, I will probably have a little animation where when this happens, we go to the arena, and then the orblings of our character just goes in the place. Or something like that. Maybe the same goes with this, but I don't want this to go there and then this to go there. So if we have an animation, maybe we don't choose a random one, we just choose the first one. Or, okay, two options here. Random or first. If we do it like this. And if we do it like we already face the ones that we touched, like here, without an animation, like they are already standing in front of us. How would it be? Like, we have these 3 slots, and we touch this guy, he is then here. And the other ones then follow? Man. I guess we will do it like this, where there is a... But no, because he is already materialized. So it should be like this. So we choose one of the three in front and the other two follow. If there is one. I think I have to do it like that. Huh. What does it mean for my code? To choose a leading orbling. Where did I put the waves for the slots? Did I implement that already? I could swear I had like a wave of things which I created like this here. Yes, this should be it. Wait. That group, blah 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 blah. Yes. Local loop index. Wait. No. This is not it. I guess I'm just adding them there. Did I never? Or did I just did a concept on a paint and I thought I implemented it somewhere already? I could swear I was playing with indexes somewhere with 0, 1 and 2 and then iterate with a multiplier. I could swear that I did something like that. It was not here, apparently. Maybe fighting orbling? Fighting entity? No. I could swear. Why not? Seems like I didn't. No, this is just a rotator, and I never used it anywhere else. I mean, we were creating these swarms. All right, let's recreate one here, and then let's kill everything. Oh, that's the swarm. Battle group. Okay, so left side, none, middle, right side. So I can create like this, and this is now one row, and the next one would be the second row. Left side, middle, nothing. Okay, I was not imagining it that I did something like this, but apparently I never use it anywhere else, I guess. And I am putting them into the orbling list. Yes, I am. So the order is inside this. Maybe I should also add a function to get fighting row. Do I put this in the battle group? That would be awesome because I should implement the battle rows there. Match to actor or playing E. Where? I even add it here? I mean, I need to fill it somewhere. And I swear it must be here. Yeah, here. Group visual entity. Contains. No, that's not it. Must be this. Add entity. Okay. And then I'm adding the visual actor. I mean, okay. That's fine. Do we initialize this? We don't. Do we initialize the arena? Or the competitor? Maybe I did it here. That could be it. Assign entities to slots. Form waves. There we go. Oh my god. Holy shit. That's a messy code here. Spaghetti. Okay. Get rid of some of the debugging code. Oh lord. This is really not good. I mean, it is okay, but my heart is bleeding when I see this. Okay. No, I'm not sure if this code is correct or working, but I was not imagining it because here's the index. Form waves. Register available orblings from formation notification. This is, I guess, for landing. I need to refactor this because that's not working anymore. Is the orbling for waiting? Ah yes, because all of them when they're flying need to tell, yeah, we are on our positions. And then it's just a list of names. We have to delete them. Okay, yeah. This code is correct. This one, please. Yes. How was your day, Robin? What are you doing? Walk to, walk to, walk to. Do you have any plans today? Ah. I never had a 3D printer before, but I guess for someone who models, it's a pretty good thing. I guess you were not on the server, but I will just ask you. I'm not sure if you want to, but we will play Homeworlds in about 2.5 hours. Homeworld is a free game on Epic Games Store right now. So if you want to join us, feel free to download it. My day is good. There's nothing to check out. Just download it and play. The others also don't know how to play it. I'm the only one. I know that game. It's a pretty good game. A strategy game. Fly 2. So we are using these. And we are we adding them? From where are they? Set. Create fighting entities and assign. It's from here. Create and this we do. Assign entities to slots. And this we do. I guess from the parent. And this we do. Where? Oh my god. Don't this and assign. Ah! From the battle controller. From the battle controller we do this. Get this. Great fighting and then we do it to this, but they are not ordered, are they? Oh, they are ordered, wait. They are. Or are they? Try get entity from map. Output. If not valid, we return. What? Ah, okay. This is not a... Wait. Something is fishy here. Ah, okay, here's the loop. So it gets one and could also get a null. And the null is also added here, so it is ordered. Perfect. Okay, so we are using this actually. What a journey. Okay. So I can go to battle group. Can I? No, this is from the encounter. This is just Newly created. I need this. And I guess... No. Where do we fill this? Here, assigned. So we do assign it. From the abstract, and this is from battle controller, but he is getting it from the battle group. We can use it from the battle group, and the battle group has it already ordered, which we proved 2 times now already. So this guy must have a battle group. And then group this guy. But this is visual entities. But when I create this orbling thing, it is already ordered here. And if I go this guy, he just has the same map, but here there are the visual actors. And for the swarm, they are the overworld entities. Yes. So instead of using this, we use this instead. So what we then have to do is get values and then say random integer in range return a random integer between min and max equals and equals. So we say 0 to 2, which is 3 numbers, and then say get and then say this, and this will be our face. If we are orbling, choose a leading orbling. We did this here. Attach to leading orbling. So our self needs to attach to this guy. Self attach actor attach actor to actor, and this is our parent now. Give land command rest follow. This guy needs to no, you have to tell all of our orblings and then do this. Maybe I should do a function for this. landing function. Fly to land function. Fly to land function. This. And then we just copy all of this. And then get this here. Whoop. And then let's do local orblings OE. Wait, this needs to be an array. Like this. Put this here. Then we can get this here. Okay. So now I need a for each for this guy. Execute command, which is follow. Of course I need to tell him what to follow, but this is not implemented yet. I still need this. What I can do though, I know already what we will need for the payload, which is the orbling ID. Local random leading orbling, and this is not an array anymore. Wait, no, the order. That we need this. You go to the right. Put in here. Here. This goes here. This goes here. Alrighty. So what I can now do is get its ID and put it in payload. Like this. Okay, random da 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 da. So now, wait, yeah, all of them follow this guy, and when we are done, we need to execute command and tell this guy to walk on path. Perfect. Actually, no. This is wrong. We need to tell them follow slots. Because We already attached our swarm to our leading one. What they have to do is this. We don't need that. Oh, now I found, thinking about this, I now realize I have a problem or a stupid thing I implemented. Because now our slots will always have a gap. Arm rotators. Add scene component in a random position, right? Oh, this is all in the middle. Default scene route. Arm rotators. And where do I do? Ah, here. Swarm slots, that's the thing. They're as big as this. Interestingly, I'm also adding a slot for orblings that do not exist. Okay, let's put in a note here. Well, let's not forget this. The cool thing is, since these problems are isolated in their own isolated functions, I can just implement all the other things and then tackle the problems one by one. The functions will not change, so the, so to speak, interfaces are still there. I just need to change the behavior. Okay, we did this. No, we did not do this. This is something we have to check, but we did this. We did this. We did this. And then when landing, I mean, yes, this will happen. This is something I don't know how to tackle right now. I guess I need to change the position, the relative position of the swarm. change relative position of swarm. Maybe add custom slot to visual actor, visual entity, to bind to swarm to plot. Something like this. This could work. I would define position for the slot for each orbling, and then the swarm would position itself there. Okay, this is something we have to do. And then this is the cleanup I have to do. This will be interesting. And if we are landed, command leading orbling to walk to position. I mean, I don't even have to do this because this code is already working, no? I mean, I never tested it, but theoretically I already implemented this. Fly to land. And if we are already landed, then set values to walk on path, yes. And then it does the thing. It's so cool when you think that you have to implement something, but it is already implemented. So all I need to do is, when it is materializing, or... No, this I don't need to do, but when it's materializing, I need to attach to a slot. Now, if we have an abstract orbling, this guy, can this guy actually change the positions of that? Oh my god, it can? Wait, am I dreaming? Okay, let's add a scene component, and this is swarm slot, or let's call it slot for swarm. Maybe not that confusing because I use swarm slot already. If I compile this, if I see this in Tomati as well, I do see it. And the cool thing now is I can change its position. I can't say the swarm is here. Oh my god, this is so cool. I can do the same thing here, of course. All right. Awesome. Then I can go back to our swarm. I need to get the signal of the landing, which is then of course find notifier, create. What signature does it have? That okay. Attach to swarm dot when landed. I mean, you don't have to like it, just play with us. It is in about 2 hours. Exactly 2 hours we will play on multiplayer. So if you download now, maybe you can play. And don't worry if you don't know how the game works. I will just tell you guys how to do, and then we just how to say, just derp around in the game. Command ID and payload, which we will never use. But we can use this now to put it in here. This guy goes there. Here we can say unbind. I need to. Oh, no, 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 no. I have to tell this guy to be a normal variable. Can I do this? Damn. Yay! You're downloading. Alt. Reading. Okay. Hello, agent. Welcome to the stream. No, that's not Borderlands, my friend. It is Into the Breach. I never played Borderlands, but this is from, do you know Faster Than Light, FTL? It's another game from the developers called Into the Breach. Pretty good game, actually. What do you mean you're a dev from it? Ah, modding then. But modifying source files is modding, no? I mean, you didn't do it for the developers. I guess, technically speaking, it is a different kind of modding because normally you don't have the source files, but it's definition, I guess. Yeah, but no. If you mod something, you don't have to add something on top, no? You can also just change everything. I mean, it's just modifying, no? I mean, it's just technicality here at this point. Doesn't matter. Let's see. So we have this now. And I hope there's no more of this, then I can remove this guy. So having this, we can go here, say unbind notifier. Create event. This guy, so this is cleaner. And then we think patch self. Patch actor to component. Get swarm to slot? No. What was it called again? Oh no, wait. Visual entity. Task2. Abstract orbling. And then get swarm slot. And this guy goes in. No, not keep relative. We snap to. And then this is also done. Okay, let's do it like this. This goes here. And voila. I mean, there is a, how to say, there's a thin line of developing and modding. At one point it is more developing than it is modding. So, because if you do your own stuff, then of course it's development. It's a thin line of definition. In the end, you create something your own. It doesn't matter if it's called modding or development. It's basically the same thing. I mean, I'm using the Unreal Engine. Is developing this modding? I don't know. But I still create my stuff. It really doesn't matter if it's called modding or development. It's the same thing. Just a term to tell if it's already on top of something or not. So we have a snapping there. We have to do this here too, of course. And then technically this should work. So we go here, say hey, walk on path, and then we have to find out if you're flying or not. This thing we have to still figure out. If we are flying, we go in here, say that we have to choose a leading orbling from the swarm, and this project is how to say, a game I want to create for a long time now, and I chose to tackle it. It will take a long time, but one step after another. It's how to say, I guess a role-playing game, but it's hard to define. It's not like the role-playing game in the genre of Final Fantasy. It's more of Pokemon maybe, but it is not. I mean, yes, I will do that too, but I have no animation right now. This is not an animation what I'm doing. The animation will be called from this guy to the animation blueprint, which I don't have because I don't have models. That comes later. So we choose a random orbling that will serve as the leading thing. So our swarm, not abstract, but abstract object attaches himself to it, and all the orblings follow their slots in the swarm, and the leading one doesn't care and just lands. No, this is not a character, this is how to explain my perfect paint whiteboard. So the thing is, we have an overworld where there are paths or whatever you can walk on as a character, and above you there are like swarms. There's one invisible object called a swarm, and there are little orblings flying as a swarm with this thing. What I'm implementing is this. These guys I kinda have implemented. And now what I'm implementing as a function is this swarm needs to land. So I'm choosing one of the orblings that will lead the pack, is also now the swarm. And behind it, it has like invisible slots these orblings follow. So they are like in this formation. And this guy will land. materialize itself. This is a monster, by the way. And then the swarm will be attached here. And the other orblings which follow will follow this little guy. So yeah, I'm not sure if you could call this one character, but the blueprint is for all orbling swarms. It's kinda complicated to explain, but it's not that complicated actually. It's just complicated in words. I know. In the last stream I was also thinking about, should I do this in particle system, but I'm now so deep inside of this, I'm not sure. I will see if the thing I'm implementing is too heavy on tick, and if it is, I have to change it. But I still need to figure out how to do this. Where do I do this again? I never set this. This is a problem. Oh no. So much to do. I guess I need to set this also after that. This would be fly random. I guess this would be chasing, maybe, I'm not sure. I guess I have to go inside of this more. This would be landing. The other one would be this. I guess it's not here. It would be here. And then it walks. And then I also need a timer where I tell this guy to fly again. Oh well. That comes next time though. We did this part now. Without this, I guess this time the next stream will be to find a good way to actually tell the or the orbling telling me in what mode it is. And maybe this is not enough. I'm not so sure. Could be enough, could not be enough. This is like not really telling if it is an orbling or not. Oh well. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.